Picking the perfect camera for photography can feel overwhelming with so many options out there. Whether you're just starting out or already a seasoned pro, we've got you covered. In this video, we've rounded up the top 6 cameras of 2025 from big names like Canon, Nikon, Sony, and Fujifilm. We'll break down the key features, prices, and we even mention the discounts if there is any, and what you need to know to help you make the best choice for your needs. And watch till the end to pick the best choice for you with the best price. So let's dive in and find the right camera for you. Number 6. Canon EOS R10, a fantastic starter camera for anyone diving into photography. At its core, the R10 packs a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor that delivers sharp, vibrant images, perfect for portraits, landscapes, or even your furry friends in action. Its standout feature? A blazing fast 15 FPS mechanical burst rate. Imagine catching every moment of your dog leaping through the air or a cyclist speeding by. It's that quick. The autofocus is another gem here. With a 651 area AF system, it locks onto eyes like a hawk, whether it's a playful kitten or your best friend at a party. During testing, it tracked a hypercockapoo effortlessly, making it a reliable pick for fast-moving subjects. At just 429 G, the R10 is lightweight yet sturdy, with a deep grip that feels great in hand. However, it's not perfect. There's no in-body stabilization, so steady hands or a tripod are a must for low-light shots. Plus, native RF lens options are limited right now, but adapting F lenses with an adapter works like a charm, and you can get it for around $999 with $100 discount now at Best Buy. One more thing, if video is your priority, this might not be the one for you. No headphone jack and no stabilization mean it's not vlog ready. But for budding photographers looking for speed, autofocus, and portability, the Canon EOS R10 is a stellar pick to kickstart your journey. Number 5. Fujifilm X-T5. A compact powerhouse built for photographers who want both performance and portability. Weighing 50 grams less than its predecessor, this beauty features a stunning 40 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, giving you crisp, high-resolution images with breathtaking detail. Whether you're shooting landscapes or portraits, the X-T5 delivers results that'll make you do a double take. The classic dial-based layout is a love letter to Fujifilm's heritage. It's intuitive, retro, and let's be honest, just plain fun to use. But don't let its vintage vibes fool you. This camera packs cutting-edge tech. With up to 15 FPS burst speed on the mechanical shutter, it's perfect for capturing fleeting moments, like a bird in flight or your friend's winning smile. Low light? No problem. The 7-stop in-body image stabilization IBIS keeps your shot steady even when you're working without a tripod. Plus, the insane max electronic shutter speed of 180,000 seconds is a dream for bright conditions or creative effects. Now let's talk video. 5K recording adds serious versatility for hybrid shooters. But it's not all sunshine. While this is a stellar stills camera, the lack of a digital zoom and GPS might be a bummer for some. And you can get it for around $1,599 with $100 discount now at Best Buy. All in all, the X-T5 is a fantastic choice for photographers who crave detail, portability, and that unmistakable Fujifilm charm. Number 4. Canon EOS R7. If you're looking for a high-performance APS-C camera that punches above its weight, the Canon EOS R7 is a fantastic pick for enthusiasts. Let's start with the best feature, the 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor. It delivers sharp, vibrant images, making it perfect for everything from landscapes to action-packed moments. And speaking of action, this camera's burst speeds are impressive 15 FPS with the mechanical shutter and a blistering 30 FPS with the electronic shutter. Whether it's your dog mid-jump or a soccer player scoring the winning goal, the R7 ensures you won't miss a beat. Autofocus is another standout feature here, with a whopping 5,915 AF points. It tracks subjects with ease, whether you're shooting portraits, wildlife, or sports. During tests, it locked onto fast-moving subjects effortlessly, proving its worth in challenging scenarios. The vari-angle 2.95-inch touchscreen is a dream for creative angles, whether you're capturing a low-to-the-ground macro or a high-angle crowd shot. However, the 2.36 meters electronic viewfinder is decent, but not the most stunning. You might notice the difference if you've used higher-end models. And at $1,499 with $200 discount now at Amazon US. Let's talk video, a record sharp 4K footage, but with a cap at 60 FPS. It's not ideal for slow motion enthusiasts. Plus, the limited native RFS lens lineup might make you consider adapters for older f lenses. All in all, the EOS R7 is a speed demon with fantastic handling and features. Number 3. Nikon Z9. If you are looking for a camera that doesn't just keep up with the action, but dominates it, with a 45.7 megapixel stacked full-frame sensor and no mechanical shutter, yes, it's entirely electronic. This beast is built for speed. It cranks out 120 FPS for low-res JPEGs and 20 FPS for RAW. Imagine freezing every flap of a bird's wings or capturing every split-second move of a sprinter. It's like having time on your side. Autofocus? Top-notch. The eye-AF tracking is so good, it feels like the camera is reading your mind. Whether it's locking onto an athlete charging across the finish line or a wild deer darting through the forest, the Z9 nails the shot every time. And video enthusiasts, you're in for a treat. With 8K at 60p or 4K at 120 FPS, this camera doubles as a cinema-grade video powerhouse. Perfect for capturing high-res motion that's buttery smooth. But let's talk trade-offs. At 1,340G, it's no lightweight. You'll definitely notice it on long shoots. The two-way tilting touchscreen is handy, but lugging this camera all day? That's a workout. Plus, it's not exactly cheap. At $4,999 with a $500 discount on Amazon US right now, it's an investment. Still, for pros who need speed, resolution, and reliability, the Z9 is a game changer. Number 2. Sony A7R V, the camera that redefines detail and precision for professional photographers. This beast boasts a jaw-dropping 61 megapixel full-frame sensor, paired with Sony's Bionz XR processor. The result? Incredibly sharp stills that make landscapes, portraits, and studio work look like they belong in a gallery. Stabilization is another win here. 8 stops of in-body image stabilization mean you can shoot handheld and still get crisp, blur-free images. Whether you're out chasing sunsets or capturing the intricate details of a product in studio, this camera is a rock-solid performer. Autofocus? It's got you covered. Sony's real-time recognition F isn't perfect, but does an impressive job of tracking a wide range of subjects, from wildlife to people. It's like having an assistant who never takes their eyes off the prize. Now, the A7R V isn't all sunshine and rainbows. First, the price, yep, it's steep, and you'll need top-notch lenses to get the most out of that 61MP resolution. Second, while it excels at stills, it's not necessarily the most versatile for video shooters, despite offering 8K at 24p, and it is a bit pricey, at $2,799 with $600 discount now at Walmart. And here's the kicker, a stunning 9.44 meters EVF and a 3.2-inch articulating touchscreen, which make framing shots a dream. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7 IV. The best overall camera for photography. With a 33 megapixel full-frame sensor, this beauty captures stunningly detailed stills. Whether it's vibrant landscapes or crisp portraits, the A7 IV delivers quality that's hard to beat in this class. Autofocus? Absolutely class-leading. With 759 AF points, this camera locks onto subjects with pinpoint accuracy, perfect for dynamic scenes like sports or even a fast-paced family gathering. And let's not forget the vari-angle touchscreen, which flips and tilts to make tricky angles feel like a breeze, whether you're shooting above the crowd or nailing a low-level shot. For video enthusiasts, the A7 IV records 4K at 60p, ensuring smooth cinematic footage. But there's a catch, it comes with a noticeable crop on 4K, so you might lose some frame width. Still, for hybrid shooters dabbling in both worlds, it's an excellent compromise. At 10 FPS burst shooting, this camera isn't the fastest for action photography, but it's more than enough for most enthusiasts. That said, beginners may find the feature-packed menu system a bit overwhelming at first. It costs around $2,099, with $400 discount now at Best Buy. Overall, it's not just a camera, it's an all-in-one creative machine. If you're ready to step up your game, the A7 IV is your go-to choice. And that's a wrap! So, are you looking for a camera with high-speed shooting, or is low-light performance more important to you? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more videos. So, I will see you in the next video.